day. Today, I'm going to divide the pasture into quarters, or so right back here we have about, I think this is probably about 4 acres, maybe a little bit less. But we found, and after just some training, and I went to a seminar yesterday, online webinar, it talks about parasite control and how important it is to divide the pasture, which we've been meaning to do for a while. And after some yard sales, estate sales, we were able to get some more of the fencing that we wanted, and we're using this Premier 1 fence, and I think it's pretty handy. And we have a solar battery charger or shock, and I'll show you here in a second. And so I'm going to divide this pasture in order to control the parasites, because it's starting to get a little bit wet and they're starting to congregate a little bit too much over here, which I'll show you in a second. And I want to divide that off and give them about 30 days. But these clowns keep messing up my operation here, jumping on my four-wheeler, and maybe just cause a lot of trouble. That's why I want to get rid of goats and just go with sheep. Anyway, so I'll just give you some progress reports as we go. So here is the Premier 1 fence, which I prefer. I'm not too sure what else is out there, but me and my wife, we really like this. And this solar panel battery charger, it's really nice, easy to use, all weather. We've used it for almost a year now in the snow and what have you. It's worked perfectly. The only issue I have is when you roll this up, I don't think there's a good way unless you use a lot of zip ties. Man, it's a pain in the butt because it's all tangled now, so it's going to take me a lot of time, in bad words, to get this sorted out. And these goats trying to drink my coffee because I keep trying to jump in the four-wheeler, which is quite normal for these clowns to do that stuff. Hey, you guys need to move out. Especially you're a pain in the butt, even though you're nice and fat. So far, so good. So I've got about 100 feet out already. And I'm going to do, starting my next 100 feet. And the lesson learned is just when you put this Premier 1 fence and it has those spikes on the bottom right there, it just gets tangled everything. I don't know if there's a good way. Maybe we're sloppy, but I got it. Fence is complete. Not the straightest fence in the world, but all the rocks here in Central Texas or the hill country have a vote on where the fence goes. Oops, oh, see, you got a little bit we know the fence is working. You saw the little ram get, and we're pumping out 8 kilovolts. So we're looking good. I don't know if it's about an acre or not, maybe. That's 300 feet of fence. I have 1 roll left. I want to keep them on this side for at least 30 days and let this one grow. They congregate on this side. I may have to put a light because they like the lights at night. And my perimeter fence, for some reason, I've been troubleshooting it and I can't seem to figure out why it's grounding out somewhere. So, I mean, we're only getting 4,000 kilovolts. So, I'm gonna have to, I found a few spots, but I don't know where else it could be. Now I'm touching a tree here, but that shouldn't matter. So let's tighten that up. See, we're only getting, oh, right here we're only getting 2. So something going down. Alrighty. For now, that's all.